Welcome to this short stretch, perfect for a post-workout. Come through to a seated position and just circle. And then circle back the other way. Come through to center, hands down, reach one hand up and over. Breath in, lift. Exhale, other side. Back to center and twist. Back to center and twist. Find your center, shake it out. Let's come through to a glute stretch. One foot down, other foot crosses over the knee. Breathe here tall. And stay as you exhale. If you want more, you can slowly shuffle your butt closer towards your heel, but just make sure you breathe. Swap. Breathing here, tall chest. One more big breath here. And out. Slowly release. Feet go flat. Just rock the knees from side to side. Coming through to a high kneel position. Step one foot forward, tuck the tail under, lift the chest, lift the opposite hand and reach up and over. And release, swap to the other side. And release, come through to all fours. Just circle through those hips. Circle back the other way. Round your spine, tuck your tail, cat curl. And then release, open your chest, breathe in. Exhale, go to cat curl again, but tuck your toes and lift your hips up nice and high. And then pedal through your feet as you stretch into this down dog. Lift both heels up, breathe in. Exhale, press both heels back down. Again, breathe in, lift the heels. Press them down. Last one. And down. Lower the knees. And then lower all the way back and through to a comfortable seat. Take one final breath in here. Roll the shoulders back and down. Well done. That is your stretch complete. If you like that, head over to PregActive.com for more just like this. And don't forget, drop a comment below. I would love to hear how you felt with that.